Hello everyone, in this video we will be seeing the inventory management module. So in the option menu bar you can tap on inventory, and here you will be able to see the entire list of all the My Store products, which you can just scroll up and down to see. And here you will be able to search the products with their name or barcode, and you can even come to this plus icon at the bottom, and once you tap on it you will be able to add new product to the My Store. So you can add product that you want to be added to this My Store. Apart from this, you can even filter the items category level wise. You can come to this hamburger and you can type on any of the category if you want to see the items from that particular category. And here you also have an option to tap on this drop down, where you can see entire product details like SP, in stock quantity, unit type, HSN, GST rate, MBQ. When you set the MBQ, that is the minimum base quantity for that particular product, then you will be able to receive a low stock alert in the cart if that particular item stock reaches the minimum base quantity. And here you also have an option to edit the details for that particular product by tapping on this edit icon, where you can update the stock. Let's say we update the stock to 10, and we can even set the minimum base quantity. Let's say I set it for 2. So whenever this stock of this item reaches 2, I will be eligible to receive a low stock alert in the cart. And this is how I can manage my own inventory, and I can just save this. So now this stock will be updated, as you can see, and this MBQ has also been updated. So this is how the retailer can do easy inventory management from our system. And if you want, you can even delete any of the item if you want by tapping on this delete icon, and you can just confirm delete to delete this product from the My Store. And you can scan any of the product if you want to be added to My Store. And as you know, our system already has a list of 1 lakh plus products that we have already preloaded in our system. So whenever you scan any of the product, it will eventually become the part of My Store. Thanks for watching this video.